Look how dusty it was. It real windy there today in Oklahoma. See the sun over there. October 13th, 2023. Yeah, every bit of that's dust. That's not smoke or anything. Every bit of that's nothing but dust. I mean, they had a bunch of 50 to 60 mile an hour wind. It's 25 to 35 mile an hour here in Oklahoma, gusting up to 50. This afternoon in Kansas, they said it's going to be gusting up to 60 on the wind speeds, and blew a lot of dust in. All that's dust that has that sun looking like that. Get that for you. Yep, this is October 13th, 2023. Yeah, I'm saying to filter the sun that much, that's quite a bit of dust. Yeah, I turned it down where you could pick up that sun a little bit better. There you have it. It's set. Look at how dusty that sky is over there. I hope you have a good night. Much love, everybody.